Hi, I am Lavender Bunny. Long time no see with my Leroy self. It's been almost 3 years now. I just wanted to give a tutorial today on how to record with the same two methods, both Vsee Face and Animaze today, under new guidelines. So originally my first tutorial was working alongside Twitch Studio, which unfortunately had stopped all communications and services as of May of 2024. So I decided today to work on a newer tutorial that will work alongside Streamlabs, which is where a lot of people are recording now. Of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and I'll do the best of my ability to answer that for you. Alrighty, let's get started. So obviously first, we're going to work on Vsee Face. Streamlabs has made avatar uploading 10 times easier, and it's really simple. So first, as always, we're going to start with a new scene. You'll hit the plus button, name your scene, hit done. It's going to create a blank scene, so you won't see these sources here at all. So you'll essentially just want to add a source to present your avatar style. So for the Vsee Face source, Streamlabs has this lovely button that you can click on. So you'll add the source, hit the plus button, the window will pop up, you'll scroll down, you'll see a section that says Spout to Capture Vtube Support, and as you can see, this can hold your Vtuber avatar. So after that, you'll hit Add Source. I'm not going to hit Add Source because my avatar is already here. But essentially then, once your avatar source is selected, you're going to have this menu pop up. You'll have the Spout Sender source as the Vsee Face window. Composite mode I haven't really messed with, so I just left it as default. Same with the pull time for new senders, I just left it as default. You'll hit done, and your avatar will pop up just like this. So the last thing that we need to make sure that we have with Vsee Face, of course, is to make sure its settings are correct and to power. So when you get to Vsee Face, the thing you'll want to make sure of is that your avatar has the checkered background, so that way everything appears transparent. So when you get to Vsee Face, you'll select the avatar that you want to use, and essentially your screen will originally look like this. It's a gray background with your settings and everything surrounding. So in order to get the checkered background, first thing we're going to do is hit the X button down here, which will get rid of the settings, and then to get rid of this little X, if you can see that on my screen, you'll hit the space bar. So now everything in the background is completely clear, you have your transparency, so when you go back to Studio here, everything is nice and clear. Alrighty, let's get on to Animaze. Alrighty y'all, on to the Animaze version of the tutorial. As you can tell, my avatar is a little bit different quality, different outfit as well, but that's based off your settings in Animaze. Regardless, it's easy as pie to get this one started as well. So, as stated in the other tutorial, you'll start off with a new scene, you'll name the scene, it's going to have a blank source. Now for Animaze, you're going to hit the plus button, you're going to go to Video Capture Device. You'll add the source, and then from there, once your selections are there, and remember device, you're going to do the Animaze virtual camera. I haven't messed with the rest of these settings, unfortunately, so you can leave them as is. Once you're done, you're going to close the window. Next thing you'll have to do is make sure that Animaze is set up. So you're gonna go to your Animaze. I explained this in my last tutorial, but I can do it again. In order to find your avatar that you made in Vtuber Studio, you're gonna hit this little raccoon right here. And okay, so back to it. You'll hit the raccoon. You're gonna import your avatar. Your Vtuber Studio should save as a what's called a VRM file. Once the file is saved, you'll hit import avatar, upload it, and so you'll see your avatars that you made under the My Avatar section. Once you get a few avatars going, you just select the avatar that you want to use. For the backgrounds of Vsee Face, Animaze. For the backgrounds of Animaze, you'll have to play around with the Animaze setting, which I'll do another tutorial for you guys, no problem. So then, once basically you have everything set up, once you have your settings with Animaze, the last things that you'll want to do is to make sure, for one thing, you have a green screen background, or if you have the full version, upgraded version of Animaze, that you have a transparent background. So again, when you get to your Streamlabs, the green screen will be hidden under a chroma key type setting. So going back to the settings again, last thing, if you have the free version of Animaze, as you can see here, you will have a watermark that tends to float around the screen. If you want to crop that out and just have your avatar present, the main things that you have to do, you'll hit the ALT, that's also known as the Out button on your keyboard, and then essentially you just drag the squares to where they need to be. I moved the wrong window. But essentially, you just click on yourself, hit the Alt button, and then grab and drag, and then from there you'll see your watermarks not be presented in the background as you go through Animaze. Alrighty, and that's it for my tutorial today. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Give a like if you liked the tutorial as well. And as I stated earlier, I'm going to do another tutorial in the future for the full features of Animaze and how to customize your avatar with some cool background stuff and accessories and things of that nature. If you have any questions, again, feel free to comment below. I'll answer back, and I'll see you guys soon.
Hey, have you guys heard of this new thing called the subscribe button? It lives on the right hand side of your screen, and all you have to do to give us some love is press that button. It feels like a nice warm hug, so why not? Go ahead, hit the button today.